Guys, it's Dyjere. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing an in-depth everyday makeup tutorial. So as much as I love spooktorial videos and like spooky Halloween type videos, I really just wanted to get back into like some like full face of like everyday makeup, if that makes sense. So yeah, if you guys want to see this in-depth everyday makeup tutorial, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows off camera because they're not really a part of this tutorial because my eyebrows are just my eyebrows. Like, they be looking crazy sometimes. Sometimes they be looking okay. They look okay right now, but I don't really have like a set thing for you guys to do, if that makes sense. So first, we're just going to prime our eyes with this multitasker concealer by Rimmel London in the shade Tan Ochre. I'm going to blend that out with a beauty sponge. Now I'm going to take the Rimmel London Stay Matte Pressed Powder. I'm going to take that on a big fluffy brush, and we're basically just going to set that concealer. Okay, and now we're going to take the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Pressed Powder in the shade Dark Ebony, and this is basically what we're going to use for like bronzing and stuff, but we're just going to take it right now on that same brush that we use to set our eyeshadow, and we're basically just going to put it into the crease. It doesn't have to be perfect, it could be kind of like messy. This is just to give like some dimension to the eyes. Okay, and now we're going to do a wing eyeliner, and we're going to take this Ben Nye color wheel in the shade Brown Medium and take the black from this and do a wing eyeliner with this. So now for primer, we're going to use the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and we're just going to take that and put it basically like on our T-zone. And really focus it like under our eye and on our nose. And then another primer is we're going to take the NYX Marshmallow Primer. I love this primer. I think it smells so good. We're going to take that and basically just put that all over our face. I'm going to take a beauty sponge and just tap that into the skin. And now for foundation, we're going to take the Ben Nye Cream Foundation in the shade Brown Sugar, and we're going to take this on that on this Morphe like foundation type brush, and we're just going to go straight into this and tap that out onto our face. Okay, and now for cream bronzing, we're going to take the ABH Stick Foundation in the shade Espresso. I'm basically just going to put it on our cheeks, our forehead, our chin, and our nose. I also like to put a little bit under my lip just to like make my lips appear bigger, if that makes sense. And now we're going to blend that out with this Real Techniques cheek brush. And now for concealer, we're going to use a new concealer today. We're going to use the e.l.f. Putty Color Correcting Eye Brightener Concealer. And we're just going to take that on a big flat brush. And we're going to take that and we're going to put it under our eyes. Also going to put it on our nose, our forehead, our chin, and our cupid's bow. We're just going to blend that out with a beauty sponge. Ooh, okay, I'm liking this. I'm liking it. It's very dewy, but we're gonna set it, so don't even worry about that. Okay, I'm liking it. And now with a powder puff, we're gonna take that Rimmel London Stay Matte Pressed Powder again, and we're just gonna go in with that into under the eye. Also gonna set everywhere where we put that concealer, so like our forehead, nose, chin, Cupid's bow. Now we're gonna take this Juvia's Place liquid blush in the shade Rosy Posy. We're gonna take that and do 2 dots on our cheeks. We're also gonna do a dot on our nose. And we're gonna take this Real Techniques buffing brush and just blend that out. Now we're gonna take that CoverGirl Clean Fresh Pressed powder that we took for our eyes. We're just gonna take that on a big fluffy brush and we're just gonna bronze with that. Take it down the bridge of our nose and also connect it with our eyeshadow. Not eyeshadow, like you know what I mean. Now we're gonna take the Juvia's Place blush the Saharian blush volume 2, and we're gonna take Cow and Lena and mix those two together and just put that on our cheeks. Also gonna put it on our nose. We're gonna take Zoba, I think that's how you pronounce it, which is like a shimmery pink shade, and just put that on our cheeks as well. And now for lashes, we're going to take the Ardell Demi Wispy Lashes. And basically, oh, actually, hold on, I forgot. I'm going to take this Paris Hilton Lengthening Mascara and just put on some mascara. Now we're going to take this Duo Line It Lash It Adhesive Black Lash Glue. And we're going to take it and we're going to put it on the lash, obviously. But we're also going to take it, we're going to line our lash line with it. Now for setting spray, we're going to use the BH Cosmetics Paradise Set Setting Spray. I'm just taking the foundation brush and just tapping around my face just to make sure everything's nice and blended together. Now for under our eyes, we're going to take that CoverGirl pressed powder again. We're just going to take that on a small pencil brush and just swipe that under our eye. And now for lips, we're going to take the NYX Liquid Suede lipstick in the shade Downtown Beauty and line our lips with this. And now we're going to take this multitasker concealer that I used to prime my eyes with and just put a little bit in the middle of my lips. Okay guys, this is the finished everyday makeup tutorial. I love it so much. I just think it's so like cute. It's so enhancing of my natural like features, and it's so like dewy. Let me know what you guys think down below. As much as I love spooktutorial and all those spooky type videos with different skin colors and all that stuff, there's nothing like a nice natural full face beat. Oh, my lash is coming up. Hold on, that's all they said. There's nothing like a full face of like natural, just like everyday makeup. I just feel like it hits the spot every single time. Let me know what you guys think down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff will be on the screen right here. It'll also be linked down below for your convenience. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I truly hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.